Most students think making money in college is complicated. They believe you need experience, money, or special skills. That is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, students are making real income online and offline using simple skills they learn in a few days. No fancy degree. No big investment. Just consistency and the right direction. In this video, you will discover 10 easy side hustles students can start in 2026, even if you have zero experience. Whether you are like Alex who wants pocket money, or like Sarah who wants full financial independence during college, this guide will show you realistic options that actually work. And stay with me, because in a minute I'll show you the top 3 side hustles that can grow into full-time income if you stay consistent for just a few months. Let's start immediately. The first side hustle is freelance writing. Now here's the interesting part. You do not need to be an expert writer. You just need to know how to explain simple ideas clearly. Students like Jake start by writing blog posts for websites, small businesses, or content creators. Topics can be anything like travel, fitness, tech, or education. You can learn the basics in a week and start finding clients on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. But here's the problem most beginners face. They try to sound perfect instead of being clear. Clients do not want perfect English. They want content that connects with readers. So if you can explain things simply, you already have an advantage. Now let's move to the second side hustle, and this one is growing fast in 2026. It is social media management. Businesses, influencers, and local shops all need help managing their social media pages. For example, Alex started managing Instagram pages for small cafes near his college. He posted content, replied to comments, and helped grow engagement. The best part is you do not need advanced skills. Basic posting, scheduling, and creativity are enough to start. But here's where it gets interesting. Once you manage 1 or 2 accounts successfully, clients start recommending you to others. That is how this side hustle scales quickly. Now let's talk about the third option, which is perfect for creative students. It is video editing. In 2026, video content is everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Everyone needs editors. Students like Sarah learn simple tools like CapCut or Premiere Rush and start editing short videos for creators. At first, it looks intimidating. But after a few practice projects it becomes very natural. And here's the best part. Video editing pays higher than many beginner jobs because demand is huge. Now let's move to the fourth side hustle, and this one is extremely beginner friendly. It is online tutoring. If you are good at any subject like math, science, or English, you can teach younger students online. Jake started tutoring school students in basic math concepts. He used Zoom and simple slides. You do not need to be a genius. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you are teaching. And here's something important. Teaching others actually improves your own understanding too. Now, let's talk about the fifth side hustle, which is often overlooked. It is selling digital products. Digital products include notes, study guides, templates, or even simple planners. For example, Alex created a revision guide for exams and sold it to other students online. Once created, digital products can sell repeatedly without extra effort. But here's the problem. Many students think they need advanced design skills. In reality, simple tools like Canva are enough. Now, let's move to the sixth option. It is dropshipping. Dropshipping means selling products online without keeping inventory. When someone buys from your store, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. It sounds complicated, but platforms like Shopify make it beginner-friendly. However, here's where most people fail. They expect instant profit. Dropshipping takes testing and patience. Now let's move to the seventh side hustle, and this one is perfect for students who love talking. It is podcasting or content creation. You can start a podcast on topics you enjoy like college life, fitness, or personal finance. Zara started a simple podcast using just her phone. No expensive equipment. At first, no one listens. But consistency builds audience over time. And here's the interesting part. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through sponsorships or affiliate links. Now let's talk about the 8th side hustle. It is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means recommending products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. For example, Jake shares tech gadgets he uses on social media. When people buy through his link, he earns money. You do not need your own product. You just need trust and consistency. But here's the catch. You cannot spam links. You need to provide real value first. Now let's move to the 9th option. It is freelancing and simple skills like data entry or virtual assistants. This is perfect for beginners because you do not need advanced knowledge. Tasks include organizing emails, scheduling posts, or managing spreadsheets. Alex started as a virtual assistant for a small business and slowly learned new skills while earning. And here's where it gets interesting. Many virtual assistants eventually turn into full-time freelancers. Now let's move to the 10th and final side hustle. It is reselling. Reselling means buying items at a lower price and selling them at a profit. This can be done with thrift clothes, electronics, or even textbooks. Students often start small, like buying discounted items locally and selling them online. But here's the key. The profit comes from smart buying, not just selling. Now let's bring everything together. You just saw 10 real side hustle students can start in 2026 without experience. But not all of them are equal for everyone. So here is a simple way to choose. If you want fast online income, try freelancing or tutoring. If you want long-term scalable income, try content creation or digital products. If you want simple beginner work, try data entry or social media management. And if you want business-style income, try dropshipping or reselling. Now here's the most important part. Most students fail not because of the idea, but because they switch too quickly. They try something for a week, see no results, and quit. But successful students stay consistent for at least 30 to 60 days before judging results. That is the real difference. And in a minute, if you want, I can help you choose the best side hustle based on your schedule, skills, and college routine so you can start faster. To wrap everything up, making money as a student in 2026 is not about luck. It is about choosing simple skills, starting small, and staying consistent. You do not need to wait for graduation to earn money. You can start right now with what you already have. If this helped you understand side hustles better, make sure to like the video so more students can discover these ideas. Comment below which side hustle you want to try first. And subscribe for more simple guides that help you earn, save, and grow smarter.